Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to see watch history on TikTok. Whether you want to rewatch a video or find something you have missed, I have got you covered. Stick around as I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different option. Navigate to the option of profile. Once you're on this page, at the top right corner, you're gonna find three bars. Click on that. Click on the option Settings and Privacy. Once you're in this page, here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under Content and Display, you'll find the option of Activity Center. Click on that. Now here you will find the option of Watch History. Click on that. Now on this page, you're gonna find all the videos that you have watched before. So this is your watch history. You can click on this top down and filter by dates. You can set it to yesterday, last week, last month, or you can select the date range and click on apply. If you want to remove any video from your watch history, click on select, checking for the videos, then click on delete. So this is how you can easily see watch history on TikTok. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.